Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from Design Sense Software Technologies, Bangalore. In this video, I am going to show you how you can make attributed blocks using CAD Power. Now, most of us who are DWG CAD users, whether AutoCAD or BricsCAD, know what blocks are, and some of us even know what attributed blocks are. So, attributed blocks are blocks which have got some properties, like if you have a window, some properties like window type, window cost, or window supplier, or window number. These are all examples of properties. You can attach such properties to blocks and it becomes an attributed block. Now it's not very simple to create an attributed block for a layman, because you need to know how to use the @def command and you need to set its properties and all that. So in this video I will make it easier for you to create an attributed block. If you go to the CAD Power pull down menu, under the block section you can see this option called create an attributed block. If you click on that, you can even see the command that it runs on the command line. It is called cp_create attributed block. So on the command line, if you type cp_, you can get a list of all the CAD Power commands here. So I can even just come here and type cp_create and I can pull out this create attributed block command from here. You can also do it from the toolbars. So if I switch on the CAD Power blocks general toolbar, the fourth option from the left side is to create an attributed block. So even this will run the attributed block command. So in this example I'm going to create a window whose standard size will be 60 by 100 and I'm going to put some attributes to it. So to make it simple, I'm just going to draw a rectangle 60 by 100 and this represents my window, and here I'm going to add three attributes now. So you go to CAD Power, blocks, create attributed block, enter attributed block name. So let me give the block name as window. Select entities. I need to first select the graphical entities which go into the block. So I selected this rectangle. Pick insertion point for block. So I need to specify the insertion point. So I'm going to select this midpoint of the bottom as the intersection. Next I want to enter or show the attribute height. Now all attributes created during this command will have the same height. So if you notice, I made this block as 60 by 100, so I'm just going to give something like 6 as the height of the attribute. 6 because 6 is about 10% of 60, so that size I think will look good here. Next you need to enter the attribute tag names. So tag names are what we discussed just now. Those are the properties that you want to capture. So first I want to capture a property called name. So this is the window name. Now the next tag that I want to enter is cost. So that's the next property, cost. The third one is number. The window has a number like 1, 2, 3, 4 maybe. So just put number. And the last one, let us say, is the supplier. We're going to create a block with 4 attributes. Now once you're done, you can just press enter and you can see that it has disappeared from the screen, but it's also given you the confirmation message that the window block has been created. Now once the attributed block is created, it's very simple. Just run the insert command and you can already see window here. Insertion point specify on screen, scale specify on screen, rotation specify on screen. That doesn't matter, you can choose it how you want it. Now say OK. X scale factor is 1, Y scale factor is 1, rotation angle is 0. Now you can see that it is asking you for the attribute values. So the name, let us say bedroom window, cost say 700, number is 10, supplier is, let's say, Tata. So I have a window and it is defined as a block. The name of the block is window and it has 4 attributes. So if I double click on this, you can see that the attribute editor will open and here I can change any of the attributes. So for example, if I want to change the value from Tata to Birla, I can just change it here and the attribute value changes. If I want to change the name attribute to something else, let's say kitchen, I can just change and say apply. So this is how you create attributed blocks in BricsCAD using CAD Power, which makes it much easier for you to do the same job. So without CAD Power also you can do it. You have to use the addDef command, define all the attribute definitions. In that process you will have to enter all the different addDef parameters and all that. But we believe that this process makes it much easier for the average user to create attributed blocks. So next time you want to use blocks with properties, please use the CAD Power attributed command to create it. It's very simple and it will make your drawings much more rich and engaging and more meaningful when you have blocks with attributes. Thank you very much, and please do let me know if you have any feedback about this video. I'll be happy to help you and provide more information about how CAD Power commands work.